Now find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of t R3 to R2 given by t of x comma y comma z is equal to 2x plus 2z comma minus y plus 2z comma x plus z. Now let us write the t in the matrix form. T of x comma y comma z here t of x comma y comma z is equal to the matrix 202 202 0 minus 1 2 0 minus 1 2 1 0 1 1 0 1 into column matrix x y z, column matrix x y z. See here, in order to find the eigenvalues of t, we write the is equal to a x, where capital X is the column matrix x comma y comma z. Now here we write the in order to find the eigenvalue of t, we write the characteristic polynomial of matrix A. The characteristic polynomial of matrix A, the characteristic polynomial character the characteristic polynomial nomial of A is equal to determinant of lambda I minus A is equal to determinant of the matrix lambda minus 2 minus 0 minus 2 0 lambda minus minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 lambda minus 1. See here, this polynomial which is in the form of 3 by 3 determinant, this is the characteristic polynomial of matrix A. Now let us simplify this. This is equal to lambda minus 2. See here how to simplify this. Lambda minus 2 into lambda plus 1 into lambda minus 1, lambda plus 1 into lambda minus 1 minus 0 into its minor means minus 2 into 0 minus lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 1 which is equal to lambda minus 2 into lambda plus 1 into lambda minus 1 plus minus 2 into lambda plus 1 minus 2 into lambda plus 1 is equal to now consider lambda plus 1 as a common factor, which is equal to lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to lambda plus 1 into lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 3 lambda is equal to lambda plus 1 into lambda minus 3. Lambda minus 3. This polynomial is the characteristic polynomial of the matrix A. Therefore, the characteristic value of t, that is the eigenvalue of t, are the root of the characteristic polynomial of matrix A. The eigenvalue of t, the eigenvalue of t, eigenvalue of t, eigenvalue of t, value of t are the roots of the characteristic polynomial are the roots of the characteristic polynomial, the roots of the characteristic polynomial, of characteristic polynomial. Therefore, the eigenvalue of t, the eigenvalue of t, therefore, the eigenvalue of t, eigenvalue of t, eigenvalue of t are given by eigenvalue of t are given by lambda plus 1 into lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. Lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, the eigenvalue of t are, therefore the eigenvalue of t are, the eigenvalue of t are, eigenvalue of t are, of t are lambda is equal to minus 1, lambda is equal to 0, and lambda is equal to 3, and lambda is equal to 3. See here, these are the eigenvalue of t. Lambda is equal to minus 1, lambda is equal to 0, and lambda is equal to 3. These are the eigenvalues of t. Now let us find the corresponding eigenvector. Let us find the corresponding eigenvector. Huh? Let us find the corresponding eigenvectors. The corresponding eigenvectors. Corresponding eigenvectors. The eigenvectors. Let x comma v is equal to x comma y comma z be the eigenvector, corresponding to eigenvalue, corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to minus 1. Let Vx comma y be the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to minus 1. Therefore, T of x comma y T of x comma y comma z is equal to minus x comma y comma z. T of x comma y comma z is equal to lambda x comma y comma z. Therefore, T of x comma y comma z is equal to T of x comma y comma z is equal to 202 0 minus 1 2 0 minus 1 2 1 0 1 x y z is equal to minus x minus y minus z. Here, let the eigenvalues corresponding to lambda is equal to minus 1. Let the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to minus 1 by x comma y comma z. Therefore, T of x comma y comma z is equal to minus x comma y comma z. Therefore, 2 comma 0 comma therefore T of x comma y is the matrix 2 0 2 0 minus 1 2 1 0 1 x y z is equal to minus x minus y minus z. Therefore, let us simplify this equation. Therefore, we perform this matrix multiplication. Therefore, 2x plus 2y 2z 2x plus 2z 2x plus 2z. Then in the second row we have 0x minus y plus 2z minus y plus 2z. Then in the third row we have x plus z is equal to minus x minus y minus z. Therefore, 2x plus 2z is equal to minus x. Therefore, 3x plus 2z is equal to 0. 3x plus 2z is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 by 3z minus 2 by 3z. Now, second equation minus y plus 2z is equal to minus y plus 2z is equal to minus y. Therefore, z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0. Therefore, by equation number 1, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. And here, z is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, and y belong to R. Y belong to R. Y belong to R. Therefore, the eigenvectors therefore the eigenvectors corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to minus 1 eigenvalue lambda is equal to -1 are of the type 0 comma y comma 0, that is 0, that is y comma 0 comma 1 comma 0. Put y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Therefore 0 comma 1 comma 0 is an eigenvalue of t corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to -1. 0 comma 1 comma 0 is an eigenvector of t, eigenvector of t, eigenvector of t, vector of t corresponding to eigenvalue, corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to -1. Lambda is equal to -1. Now let us find the eigenvalue corresponding to lambda is equal to 0. Let us find the eigenvector. Let us find the eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 0. Eigenvalue lambda is equal to 0. Let t of x comma y comma z is equal to 0 into x comma y comma z. Therefore, now t of x comma y comma z in the matrix form is of the type 2 0 2 0 minus 1 2 1 0 1 2 0 2 2 0 2 0 minus 1 2 0 minus 1 2 1 0 1 1 0 1 x comma y comma z is equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0. Therefore, let us write this in the equation form. This is equal to 2x plus 2z. In the first row we have 2x plus 2z. This is equal to minus y plus 2z. In the second row we have minus y plus 2z. And in the third row we have x plus z is equal to 0 0 0. Therefore, x plus z is equal to 0. Y plus 2z is y is equal to 2z. Y is equal to 2z. Therefore, x is equal to minus z. Y is equal to 2z. Therefore, the eigenvectors are of the type, the required eigenvectors are of the type minus z comma 2z comma z comma z. Eigenvectors are of the type minus z comma 2z comma z. Therefore, put z is equal to 1. Therefore, minus 1 comma 2 comma 1 is an eigenvalue of t corresponding to eigenvalue lambda is equal to 0. Now let us find now let us find the eigenvector corresponding to corresponding to corresponding to let us find the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 3. Lambda is equal to 3. Therefore minus 202 0 minus 1 2 0 minus 1 2 1 0 1 x y z is equal to 3 x y z. Therefore this is equal to minus 2x plus 2z minus y plus 2. In the second row we have minus y plus 2z and x plus z is equal to 3x 3y 3z is equal to therefore minus 2x plus 2z is equal to 3x minus y plus 2z is equal to 3y and x plus z is equal to 3z. Therefore phi therefore therefore x is equal to therefore phi x is equal to 2z. Therefore x is equal to 2 by phi z. 4y is equal to 2z. 4y is equal to 2z. Therefore y is equal to half z. Here and x plus z is equal to 3z and therefore two z is equal to here this is not equal to minus 2 plus 2. This is equal to 2. Therefore this is equal to 2 and this is equal to 2. Therefore we have x is equal to half z. Therefore we have CR x is equal to 2z, y is equal to x is equal to z, y is equal to half z, half z. Therefore, the eigenvectors are of the type 2z, half z, z. Therefore, the eigenvectors are of the type 2z, half z, z. That is, the eigenvectors are of the type z, 2, half, 1. 2, half, 1. Put z is equal to 2. Therefore, the eigenvector is 4, 1, 2. Yes. Namadip. हे बंद करना, हे बंद कर.